Hello Memhat and hello everyone. My name is Destin with last student number 80. So today in this video I will presentation about one of the example of the culture in the Toraja people in South Sulawesi that contains elements of colonialism until this day is the use of ceremonial clothing during funeral ceremonies called Rambu Solo. The Rambu Solo ceremony is a traditional funeral ceremony of the Toraja tribe, which is very important and sacred in this development, especially since the Dutch colonial period. Culture acculturation began to occur, one of which was in the way the traditional leaders and noble families dressed during the funeral ceremony, where they use long sweats and fedora hats and the black shoes. These clothes were used by traditional leaders and noble families in the Toraja tribe, and the use of these clothes is still continue until today. Okay, next I will explain about colonial elements in the Torajan people where they wear the clothes ceremonial. Since the Dutch colonial period, the clothing has been used by some noble families of the Toraja tribe, where they began to imitate the Western style of dress, where they use long sweats, fedora hats, and black shoes. Why it is called containing elements of colonialism? Because these clothes are not part of the traditional clothing of the Toraja people, but the result of the invention of Western culture during the colonial period. Until now, some noble families of Toraja people is still wear these clothes during the Rambu Solo ceremony because it is considered as a symbolic display of honor, especially in the context of Toraja noble families. And some of the traditional clothing of the Toraja people, especially the traditional male clothes, is used at funerals, are designed similar to long sweats and are widely used by traditional leaders and men of the Toraja tribe until this day. This is a clear example of how Western colonial culture leave trace in local culture that still exists until today. So that's all from me. Thank you.